SSD upgrade on Dell Inspiron 15. Thank you to Ma'am Kenosha for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The upgrading to an SSD is an excellent choice for anyone looking to dramatically improve their laptop's performance and longevity. Solid-state drives SSDs are significantly faster than traditional hard disk drives HDD, providing much quicker boot times, faster file access, and smoother overall system responsiveness. This speed boost can transform an older laptop, making tasks like opening applications, transferring files, and multitasking feels seamless and efficient. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.